Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. Here's the download link here. It's ubuntu.com/download/desktop. If we look under what's new, it's got GNOME 50 with optimized fractional scaling factors, new apps for the document viewer, image viewer, terminal emulator, and video player. Wide range of accessibility improvements, authentication support for cloud identity providers, support for TPM-backed full disk encryption management, experimental support for application permission prompting, and the new Linux kernel 7.0 with support for the latest hardware. I'm going to go ahead and let this download, and then I'll be back to show you how to put this on a USB stick. Okay, and it looks like our download did finish. So let's go get Fedora Media Writer. Launch that. We want to select our ISO. Next. And we'll go to our downloads. Highlight Ubuntu. Click on Write. Click on Write again to confirm. Type in our password. And let that write to your USB stick. And then you're going to reboot. And on boot, you're going to press F10, F11, or F12. One of those keys will be your boot menu key. Press that and then select your USB drive, and I will rejoin you there and we'll complete the installation of Ubuntu. All right, we've made it to the installer. What I'd like to do first is just go up to the top right and turn on dark style here. And then we'll choose our language. English is fine. Next. And then next again. English. Next for the keyboard. Connect your internet. Next. Install Ubuntu. Interactive. Default is fine. I'll do the third party and the support for media formats. And we want to erase the disk and install. No encryption. Go ahead and name. Create your username. Put in a super secret password. Set your time zone. And install. And I'll speed this portion of the video up. All right, the install finished. I'm just going to click on Restart Now, and I'll see you on the first boot. Okay, we made it to the first login here, and we're greeted with this welcome screen. Just going to click on Next. I don't want location services, so Next. Leave the telemetry off. Stay with dark and orange is fine. Click Finish. On the first login, I always like to check for updates, so let's go to the App Center. Manage. We'll let this load, and let's just perform an update. Put in your password. Okay, I'm going to give this a reboot, and I'll see you on the other side. All right, so let's bring up the terminal, and let's do a Fastfetch. And we're running Ubuntu 26.04, Linux kernel 7.0, shell is bash 5.3.9. These Flatpak packages, these are the tools that I had to install to record the video. The desktop environment is GNOME 50.1. Windows Manager is Mutter using Wayland. I'm using about 2 gigs out of the total of 16, 0 out of the swap, and I've got a 1 terabyte hard drive. Okay, let's take a look at the system monitor, which is called Resources. And our processor, just sitting here idle, making this video. We're at about 33% usage. The temperature is right at 50 Celsius. 8 cores, 4 physical. Memory is sitting at about 2.75 out of our 16. None of the swap is being used. And I've only got 2 of the 4 slots filled with RAM. And that's DDR4. Our AMD 6600, about 12% being used, a little over 700 meg out of the 8 gigs. It's using 15 watts out of the 100. And it's about 56 degrees Celsius. All right, let's take a look at the wallpaper. So just right click and go to change background. I'm going to drag this up and out of the way. And I'll just click through these. And those are the wallpapers on the new Ubuntu 2604. All right, let's take a look at system settings. So we got our Wi-Fi, network, and Bluetooth. If you go to display, you can change your orientation. If you were to rotate your monitor, if you're a developer, you can come in here and rotate it to make it use portrait mode. Change your resolution, your refresh rate. You can, if you're using a TV as your monitor, you can come in here and adjust that for the TV. You can scale it. It's got fractional scaling. And you can enable nightlight. Got your sound, profiles, multitasking, set up the hot corners and window resize, workspaces. This is where the wallpapers are. Ubuntu desktop, if you wanted to show your home folder or not. You can auto hide the dock, change the panel mode, change the position of the screen that's located at. You got your default apps. So if you were to uninstall Firefox and add Brave, you can come in here and set that as the default. Change your notifications, go into Do Not Disturb. Got your app search, online accounts, media sharing if you've got other machines that you want to share media with. Well-being, this shows you how long you've been on the computer. You can set screen time limits, set break reminders, and you can come in here and change the direction of the scroll. I've got it set to natural. Keyboard, color management, any printers that you've got, accessibility, privacy, system. One thing I did come in here in the date and time, and I set that to AM, PM. We'll go to About. You can see we're on 12th Gen i3 Intel processor, 16 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte hard drive, and there's our 6600 AMD video card. Firmware is 13.02, and we're running Wayland on the Linux kernel 7.0. Hey, if you found this video helpful, here are some others that you might like as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.